Hey Cubing Gang, Alfred here. I know it's 2021, but today we are going to take a look at the MoYu RS3 M 2020. Are you wondering why many cubers like this cube? Well, we will find that out in this video. The RS3 M 2020 is 56mm, weighs 86 grams, and is available in black or stickerless. Obviously, it is magnetic. This cube has a frosted finish, but it will go away after hundreds of solves. The color scheme is nice, and in my opinion, it is better than the color scheme of the non-magnetic Maylong cubes. Let's take a look at the design of the pieces. The corner and edge stocks are in primary plastic. Like other MoYu cubes, the internals is well designed, which allows stability and smoothness. Speaking of stability, the magnets only contribute a little because they are weak. But the good thing is I don't get many misalignments because my setup is slow and the springs are on the tightest setting. Out of the box, the RS3M feels dry, smooth, and papery. The cube produces a loud, clacky, and crunchy sound like other budget cubes. It is fast, so I overshoot sometimes. The factory settings for the springs are unstable for my turning style and it feels a bit loose. Though, the corner cutting is exceptional. It is over 45 degrees and the reverse is over an edge piece. Overall, I was satisfied with the performance of the cube, but I wish it doesn't have a spring noise. After setting up the cube and using it for months, it really proves that it is a great cube. I got many good times on it. It got smoother and corner cuts better. It became more stable because the spring tensions was set to 9. However, the corner cutting didn't decrease at all. It is still great. The MoYu RS3 M 2020 is one of the most being hyped cubes today, since it has a great performance, budget-friendly price, and customizable spring elasticity. Many cubers have positive reviews on this cube, so good job to MoYu for this release. They did a great tactic of how they can attract the buyers. A cube that is cheap but has customizability options. I swear I love this cube but I won't main it because the Wu-Wei is really amazing. But it is my third favorite 3x3. Should you get this cube? Yes, because it is cheap but has a great performance. It can be set up to be really fast or controllable. However, you may not like it due to its weak magnets. But you can add extra magnets on the top of the edge magnet like what others did. In conclusion, I believe that the RS3M 2020 is really the best budget cube on the market right now. The only downside of this cube is its weak magnets and has spring noise. I love solving on this cube, that's why this is my top recommendation if you are looking for a great budget 3x3. What are your thoughts about the RS3M 2020? Feel free to comment down below. Thank you so much for watching this video. Again, this is Alfred. Like, comment, and subscribe for more entertaining and educational cubing content. I'll see you all in the next video.